Lloyds Bank UK Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume Lloyds is just a typical high street bank, but it offers a wide range of personal, business, and digital banking services that cater to many different needs. Lloyds provides current accounts, savings, mortgages, loans, credit cards, and business banking. One standout feature is their extensive branch and ATM network across the UK, combined with a robust mobile app for digital banking convenience. Most people assume high street banks are expensive. The surprising truth is Lloyds offers several free current accounts and transparent fee structures. Plus, their overdraft and credit options are clearly communicated, helping customers avoid unexpected charges. Another advantage is customer support. Lloyds provides in-branch, phone, and online support, making it easier to resolve issues or get financial advice. Their app also includes budgeting tools, payment alerts, and instant notifications. However, there are some considerations. Some users report occasional app glitches or delays in customer service during peak times. Interest rates on savings may also be lower than online-only competitors. In conclusion, Lloyds Bank UK offers a reliable mix of traditional and digital banking. Its extensive network, user-friendly app, and transparent fees make it a solid choice for individuals and businesses alike. Subscribe for more honest UK banking reviews before opening your next account.